welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a finale for you. The month of December is going to be a lot of finales, like a lot. So be prepared, they're coming. All right, this one is for Partners in Cream. This was created by Steph and Lynn. They are going to be listed down below. I believe there's a playlist, but don't quote me on it because my brain is just, it's got so many other things going in it right now that I can't remember the little details. If there is a playlist, it's going to be down there. It's going to be down there. I think, is this 3.0 or 4.0? I can't remember how many years we've been doing it. I know at least 3. And yeah, I love this project because I have so many cream products now. I have more now than when this project started. I have actually discovered that I do like cream products now that my skin is under control, and I can wear them without them just sliding right off my face. So this project has, it encourages me to use what I have, but it also has really encouraged me to like rekindle a love of cream products, or actually to find a love for cream products. Cream products and oily skin sometimes don't mix, but you know, once you got your skincare under control and your skin is happy, cream products, they just might work for you. All right, this started January 10th, ends December 10th. I'm actually filming this on the last day of November because I finished a product. I had 2 products left in here, and there's no way I'm going to finish the other one in 10 days or 9 days because I need time to film, edit, upload, all that good stuff. So I figured I might as well just film this finale, get it, you know, get that cloud from hanging over my head, just get her done. So as of this last update, I had finished 2 products and I had met a goal on another product. And like I said, I have finished another product. This is the Bobbi Brown, what is this officially called? Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick. Looks like this. You can see all of my marks right here where I started way up here, and we are done. I even dug this out. That's how much I really liked it. And I would consider buying another one of these. I really like this. I could use it as a base. I could use it as like a quick all over eyeshadow because like this is the shade, maybe like slightly more gray. It kind of is like that grayish color. And I just really like this because I have like a neutral to olive undertone, and it suited me because like true grays I struggle with, but grayish, beige, that kind of stuff, it works really well with me. I really enjoyed this. I wish I could show you what it looks like, but there's nothing left. I'm trying to see if there's like the tiniest little bit right there that was hanging on the edge. Yeah, liked it. This was in the color Shore, like Seashore, and yeah, I enjoyed this quite a bit. All right, the last one, the one that I was not able to finish, this is the Bite Beauty I can't say that, Amuse Bouche lipstick in maple. That is a tongue twister. It kind of matches my sweater, and I did enjoy it, but there's still that much left. It was brand new when I brought it in. Granted, it is a deluxe size, but it is a brick red. It was a struggle. The silver is where I was last time. I'm like just below it. If I was to put another line on there with nail polish, it would like blend into the silver line. So, you know, I'm just below that line. It's just going to go back in my collection. It still is, like, it smells fine. It wears fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I know a lot of people say that their Bite lippies go off quickly. I have not had that problem. I've used a few other Bite Beauty lipsticks, lip glazes. I can't remember, like lip pencils. I've used a bunch of different things from Bite, and I haven't had one go off. I got this in Sephora Play, and I haven't had Play for years, like easily 5+ years, and this one still has not gone off. So I'm not concerned. I will play with it some next year, since next year is my rotation year. So yeah, I think when I get a chance to play with it again next year, if it seems like it's getting to that point, I'll probably just try to pan it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna, you know, use it here and there when I want. I do have it on like the outer corners of my lips. I kind of did like an ombre effect. And yeah, I like it. It's just not something that I would wear every day. I get a lot of compliments when I wear it. I don't feel as comfortable in like an extremely bold lip. I feel like, you know, because I don't have like the most full lips out there. I never have. And I feel like this just accentuates how small my lips are. So yeah, I don't know. I don't hate it, but it's just, you know, it's not an everyday lipstick for me, even though it is absolutely beautiful. All right, so one done, one not done. Total of 3 finishes in this project. I finished the Bobbi Brown cream eyeshadow stick in Shore. I finished the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On, I think like the Velvet Glide On pencil. I think it was called Black Velvet. I don't know why I didn't put that on here. And I finished the Mally's Look High Shine Lip Gloss that I did not really like at all. And then my usage was for the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Primer, which I really like, and I want to play with some more next year. So that is everything. I'm very happy that I was able to finish some products. Let's see. I finished $72 worth of product. I had to math in my head there. I'm not mad about it. I am not mad about it at all. I was unable to finish, like I said, this lipstick, and you know, it is what it is. All right, I do not know if this is coming back next year. I suspect it probably will because it is extremely popular, even though I know there's a few people that have already said that if it comes back, they won't be doing it. And I completely understand their reasonings because their collections are where they want them to be as far as their cream products. Love that. I love that. It's like the project did what it is supposed to do for those people. I am hoping it comes back. If it does come back, I will be joining again. I just don't know if it is because I am so far behind on watching people's videos, replying to comments, that kind of stuff. Life is just chaotic. It is what it is. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely check out Steph and Delyn, everyone else that has joined in, and ask Steph and Delyn, like put it in their comments when you watch their finales. Ask them if it's coming back. I'm sure I will find out eventually. I just, you know, I don't know for you right now, so I can't tell you right now. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.